Pottery. Pottery means making of containers and other objects from clay. People use pots to cook food, store food grains and water. Pottery is one of the most ancient practices. It began after the invention of wheel. Earlier, the pots were made by simply punching a hole into a ball of clay or by coiling a long rope made of clay. But these pots were not durable. They broke easily and could not hold anything wet. The invention of wheel changed the method of making pots. It helped in shaping the wet clay. Fire dried these pots to make them strong. Stages in pot making. Various stages are involved in pot making. The potter cut out the lump of clay soil. Clay soil is generally found near the bank of river or pond. The lumps of soil are dried in sun. It is then squeezed and pressed to remove air bubbles. It changes the soil into a powder form. The potter sieves this powder to get fine particles of soil. He also adds water to the soil. Then the clay is kneaded into a soft and smooth dough. This dough is used to make different types of pots. The potter puts the dough at the center of the potter wheel and shapes the dough to form different articles. These pots are kept in fire kilns or furnaces. Fire makes the pots strong. Bricks are also baked in fire kilns or furnaces. Pakka bricks are used in the construction of houses. Bricks pot. Story of pottery. The earliest pots were handmade. The invention of the potter's wheel made pottery easy. Nowadays, a coating of glass is applied to pottery to make it waterproof. It can also be used to decorate pots. This is known as glazing. This makes the pots strong. The glaze gives the pot a shine. If certain chemicals are added during glazing, the pot also gets a color. No more. The musical instrument ghatam is made by clay and then baked. Pottery in our daily life. People use pottery in different ways. Kulhad and sakora are used to drink tea or milk. Matka and surahi are used to store water in summers. They keep the water cool. Flower pots are used to grow flowering plants. Diyas are used on festival and auspicious occasions. Beautiful articles made of clay are used to decorate houses. Idols of gods and goddesses are used in houses and temples. Points to remember. Pottery means making of different objects with clay. Clay is also used to make houses, toys, bricks, artifacts, etc. Clay pots are dried in fire to make them strong. The wheel a potter uses to make pots is called the potter's wheel. People use pottery in different ways like kulhad, surahi, matka, diyas.